Good everyone, this is Sunny Electrician. On today's edition, I'm going to discuss about differences between surface wiring and conduit wiring. So join me as I show in details. Let's continue. Like I earlier stated, I said I'm going to show in details differences between surface wiring and conduit wiring. So in surface wiring, we use the word series pattern, and in conduit wiring, we use the word parallel pattern. So this series pattern is for surface wiring, while parallel pattern goes with conduit wiring. Also, in surface wiring, the wire can be seen. Okay, we run a clip on the wall and you can see the wire. So that's another properties of surface wiring. And in conduit wiring, the wires cannot be seen. We lay a pipe in the wall and the wire are being run through the pipe that are sealed in the wall. So let's go down to full details, having known the patterns we do use in surface wiring and in conduit wiring. This is two different rooms, and this is control switch and this is control switch. So these different rooms, I'm going to show how we run surface wiring in this room, and I'm going to show another example of how to run conduit wiring in this second room. So let's call this room A. So room A, and here let's call here room B. So this room B we go for conduit wiring. So while this one goes with surface wiring. So surface wiring, and the room B is for conduit wiring. So let's proceed. In this room A, to run a surface wiring here, it's expected that, let's assume there is socket here, and here is the entrance, and there is switch, and there is another socket here, so making it two sockets in this room, and we have two lights in the ceiling. So in surface wiring, what you are going to do here is simply introduce a junction box. Okay, so this junction box is where both your lighting point and your power point, this is your power point. So if you loop it together, so both your lighting point and your power point will go inside this junction box, and from this junction box you source the light from DB. So you source the light from DB to the junction box, your socket will go in here, and your lighting points will go in here. So from here, the junction box, you link the switch. So have you seen it? So all the necessary connections are going to be done inside here. This pattern I use is series pattern, and it's mainly used for surface wiring, whereby the socket, the lighting point, everything are being connected in the junction box. Let's move over to room B, so where we are going to use conduit wire. Our socket should be here, another socket here, and two lighting points. So this is two lighting points, and here is the entrance. So we are going to have our switch. So there's switch here. So in this conduit wiring, all you are going to do, remember we are using parallel pattern in conduit wiring. So if you loop your switch, your lighting point, so you link it to the switch. So from the switch you go to DB, and again your socket, you loop your socket, and from socket you go to DB. So can you see the difference between room A and room B? In this room B, we loop the two sockets, and from the two sockets we go straight to the DB to source the light from the DB, and we link the two lighting points and we source the light from DB. So this is practical example of conduit wiring and surface wiring. If you find this video helpful, please share it for others to see it. This is Sunny electrician. Thank you for watching.